The smallest animal in the world is often considered to be the microscopic organism called the tardigrade, also known as a water bear. Tardigrades are incredibly tiny, measuring about 0.1 to 0.1 to 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters in length.
Oh my God! Wow!
Despite their small size, they are incredibly resilient and can survive extreme conditions, including high radiation, vacuum of space, and extreme temperatures. Their remarkable ability to enter a state of suspended animation allows them to endure harsh environments that would be deadly for most other organisms.